Hey everybody! I've learned a few things that I want to share with you this week. But first, I want to jump into some of our data. All right, the last 7 days, there's been some ups and downs with our analytics. I've been super obsessive about viewing it, and let's take a look at some of our stats. We've had 157 views this week, so super cool. I released a short, which definitely increased some of the volume to the channel. Taking a look at the hours is we're up to 3 hours for the last 7 days, which is exciting. At that rate, I'm not going to hit 4,000 hours over 365 days. However, it's improvement over last week. So still positive over 30%, 30% increase over the previous week. The final stat is we added 3 subscribers. Net 3 subscribers. So we were at, I think, 11 last week when we started. This week we're at, as of the end of the day yesterday, I was at 15, so I must have been at 12 last week. Net of 3 subscribers. I say net because we lost a subscriber. Super exciting. Little upset about when I realized that I lost one, but because I actually saw it again because I've been so obsessive over looking at my stats. So it was during the one day I lost a subscriber, added a subscriber, and so it netted out. So kind of like I said, ups and downs this week, and those are our stats. Positive subscriber growth, positive growth in my viewership and in my hours viewed. So I'm encouraged. I wish it was growing faster, but it's week 2. I'm really new to this and I'm sure it'll improve. I have learned a bunch this week. So here's some things that I've learned. So create no matter what. Your first 20 to 50 videos are going to suck. I saw that being said by Mr. Beast. I saw that being said by Think Media. Silver and Solo, she also said your first 20 to 50 videos, they're going to suck. There's no way around it. And you learn as you go. You get a little bit better each time. And I think that that's true. I'm way better today than I was a week ago, and I'll be way better next week when I talk to you than I am today. So I've learned a lot of things along the way, like I said, but that's one of the biggest ones is to keep going out there, keep trying. You'll be more confident on camera the more you do it. Write a script. It's important for me to write a script because I ramble if I don't. You could venture from your script a little bit, but don't just ad-lib the whole thing. Especially for me. It might not be the same with everybody, but for me, writing a script makes a big difference. 4, don't forget your hashtags in your descriptions. So I was adding keywords and I was making sure that a lot of my keywords were in my description and making sure that it was authentic to the content that I was creating. It will help your SEO, which is search engine optimization, and will help your videos to be viewed and help the algorithm on YouTube to be able to target the audience. So hashtags are important. The last one, frame yourself in your video. I think last week when I was doing this, I had a whole bunch of space up above my head, a whole bunch of space over here and over here. Make sure that you're filling up the screen. So those are the things that I've learned this week. I've started putting them into practice. I hope that it continues to help my viewership numbers and my analytics on the channel. And I hope that you all have learned something about the mistakes that I've made over the past week as well. Again, if you learned anything, like and subscribe. Please add your thoughts about starting YouTube channels. Please add your experiences that you've had along the way and any encouragement that you may have for everybody else. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.